Today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Fast Body app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, click here on me down here. You just click here on me. So when you click here on me here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on statistics settings, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just go down here. You come here to body mass index, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean body mass index. It's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.